Started. So, very good morning to one and all cadets present here. I will share my desktop screen. Students, are you able to see my desktop screen? Sorry, presentation window.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. Thanks for the response. The subject name, along with this code, we are going to see throughout this semester is UDIT 201 Foundation of Information Technology Lab. Then today we are going to see about experiment number 12, employee payroll. Before getting into our hands-on session, the agenda for today entirely the session is attendance at the start and end, introduction about myself, netiquettes to be followed, learning objectives and outcome, recap of our previous exercise, then introduction, explanation, summarization about the exercise, then at last Q&A feedback if any. I will take the attendance right now. So cadets, please unmute your mic and mark your presence. Shresh Yadav.
Present, sir.
Sibiraj. Sitik.
Present, sir.
Siddharth.
Present, sir.
Signalal.
Present, sir.
Suraj.
Present, sir.
Shaurabh.
Present, sir.
Pash Panwar. Sriraj.
Present, sir.
Sri Shankar.
Present, sir.
Sri Darshit.
Present, sir.
Sri Nayak. Subinjo. Subinjo. Sudhanshu Kumar.
Present, sir.
Suryadev.
Present, sir.
Susan.
Present, sir.
Tanish Mittal.
Present, sir.
Kaushif.
Present, sir.
Tejas.
Present, sir.
Darun.
Present, sir.
Tukkar Madhur. Tukkar Madhur. Adi.
Present, sir.
Vaibhav Singh. Vaibhav Singh.
Present, sir.
If I noted. Vaibhav.
Present, sir.
Venkataramana. Vicky Kumar.
Present, sir.
Vishwanath. Vishwanath. Vishwas.
Present, sir. Vishnu.
Present, sir.
Vivek Prakash.
Present, sir.
Vaibhav.
Present, sir.
Yadavan.
Present, sir.
Vaishnav present, sir.
Krishnan. Yeah, okay, noted. Yadu Krishnan.
Sir. Sir.
Yashraj. No, here two voices for. Who is this? Yashraj is someone else. Yashraj. Yogesh Kumar,
Present, sir.
Sir, Vishwanath present, sir.
Vishwanath present. Yash Raj, Yash Raj,
Sir, Subinjargis is present, sir.
Subinjo. Okay, not that. Tukkar Madhu, Sibiraj, Spash Panwar, Sri Nayak, Yash Raj. So, getting back to our presentation. So, last class we started the exercise student mark list. So, we did student mark list. We explored, I explained the options pertinent to do the student mark list. So, how to do the manual data entering or data entry, and what are all the calculation parts. So we started with the built-in functions like sum, and then average, and then if, and then nested if, and with the nested if with the logical conditions also, that is and after that the last one is count. That is what we discussed, student mark list or student mark statement. So today's session we are going to see about the employee payroll. So this is your last hands-on session in Excel, MS Office Excel. So from tomorrow's class onwards, we are going to start the next application package. So I will start the Excel right now, Excel window. So Windows key R, Excel, in the run dialog, pressing enter button. So you will open up the Excel window in front of you. So students, are you able to see my Excel window?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So if anyone not saying means, please answer. I will start the session. So the first cell, I'm going to type it as employee payroll calculation. I will make a zoom. Employee payroll calculation. So for the entire thing to this cell, I will change the font size into might be 14 so that you are able to see. Okay, so the first cell I gave the title employee payroll calculation. So after that, I want to decide the column fields. So after deciding the column fields, I want to decide which part I'm going to enter manually, which part I'm going to make a calculation. So first thing, serial number. As this employee payroll calculation, I'm going to give it as employee, that is EMP ID, then EMP name, this employee ID and employee name and department. Then basic salary, then HRA, housing and allowance, then DA, dearness allowance, then PF, provident fund, okay, HRA, DA, PF, and gross salary, and then net salary. So this is what the thing I'm having. So I'm going to enter data. So I decided from serial number to basic salary, I want to enter the data manually. After that, from HRA to net salary, that is HRA, DA, PF, gross salary, net salary, I'm going to have it as a calculation. So I'm having here HRA, DA, PF, gross salary, net salary. Here it is very simple calculations only. So previous things we discussed about if, nested if. So that much complications are not here. Very simple calculation only. I shrink that cell with the column slider. So now I'm going to enter the data. So employee ID, I can give it as AU16. And employee name, I type it as A1, and then department HR. And for the basic salary, I will enter any figure. So after this only, I'm going to enter manually. So the second part, again, AU20, sorry, 30, then A2, pounds, pounds, 10,000. Then the third data, again, AU, 24. 5 data I'm going to enter. 5. Then 6. Then 4 data, again AU32. 4. Then marketing. Each. And the last data I'm entering AU. And same accounts department. Here it is 24. Only basic salary 800, 21,300, 450, 26, 768. Okay, so I entered the data. So next step is we are going to proceed with the calculation part. So here I will type the calculation. So for HRA, it is 10% of basic. Then DA is 7% of basic. So all are from basic only. And for PF, 10% of, not 10, 12% of basic. And for gross salary, you are going to add up the basic, then HRA, then DA. So next part, net salary. So gross minus PF. Space. So this is the formula part. So in the examination also, we will give like this only. We will give the title and then we will give the formula. You want to frame the column fields and the data entry fields and the calculation part. So as per the formula, first step is 10% of basic. Correct? Are you able to follow me? Any clarification is required?
No, sir.
Yeah.
No,
No,
sir.
sir, continue.
Yeah, fine. Thanks for the response. So HRA, 10% of basic. The formula starts with equal to. So I'm going to give 10 percentage, or else I can give it as basic into 10%. So select the basic cell. After that, multiplication 10%. You can straight away give it as 10%. So all the formulas probably for HRA, DA, PF rely on only the basic salary. So I'm going to select the basic cell. After that, I am pressing enter. So this is what the HRA calculation. After that, at the end of the cell border, there is a small square box. I'm going to move the cursor over there and I'm going to make a click and drag. So it will display the entire calculation for the rest of the cells. After that, second part, I'm going to calculate DA. The same thing, the formula only get differs. DA, I'm going to select basic and then I'm going to press the asterisk, that is multiplication. Percentage given is 7%. So straight away I'm going to use 7%. And I'm going to press enter. So it will display the result. And again, I'm going to make a click and drag. Then for PF, the same basic only. So starts with equal to, and again, I'm going to select HRA, sorry, not HRA, basic. After that, I'm going to have the multiplication. Then the percentage given is 12%. You can straight away give the 12%, or if you want, you can also give it as 0.12 or 12 divided by 100. Anything may be. So pressing the enter, and again I'm going to make a click and drag. So after the gross salary is the addition of basic salary, HRA and DA. So I'm going to have it as equal to. So first one is basic. I'm selecting the basic cell, then putting the plus, that is addition. After that, HRA, selecting the HRA cell. After that, putting addition, and at last DA. So three things I entered. After the completion, I'm going to press the keys. So after the calculation, I'm going to make a click and drag. Then for the net salary. So net salary formula is gross salary minus PF. So I'm going to start the formula with equal to, this is the gross salary, and I'm putting the subtraction symbol, that is minus. After that, I'm going to select the PF cell. So once it is completed, I'm going to press the enter. So it gets displayed. After that, I'm going to make a click and drag. So entire formula calculation gets over. So this is what the employee payroll calculation. The formula is given to you. Based on the formula, you want to proceed.
Sir,
So
your
at last,
presenting screen is stopped, sir.
Yeah, okay. Wait. I will stop the sharing and again I will start. So now it is visible to you for everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Thanks for response. So we finalized all those things. So the last part is we want to make a decoration. That is, you want to make a table, whatever you created, prettier. So we will start our formatting and alignment. So I selected the contents of the table by selecting and dragging. After that, I'm going to give the border. The borders are available under home menu, font, ribbon, and then borders. So you can apply the borders first. After that, some text are hidden within the cell. So I'm going to make it as visible. So I'm going to make it as double click in the column slider. So then gross salary, then net salary. Or else I can do the word wrap also. Sorry, wrap text also. Here also wrap text. Here also wrap text. Department, I can have it like this. Name, I'm having like this. Employee ID, serial number. So for the column headers, I can make it as bold and with different color. So I am using a column slider to make it as visible. So it gets completed. So after that, the next part is I am going to apply the alignments. So I select the column headers and I'm going to apply center, and also I'm going to apply the middle align. And here in the table, within the table cells, the serial number, employee ID, it's going to be a center, it's going to be a middle align. And for here, you can leave as it is. For department also, you can leave as it is. Some cases you can select that middle align. And for the rest of the things, you are going to select the alignment, center alignment and middle alignment. So after that, you can have it as, if you want, you can also calculate the total also. Total for the entire. If you want to calculate how much salary debited for all the employees, means you can also have the total for all. So for that, you are going to use the function equal to sum. You are going to select the addresses collectively and then closing the parenthesis, pressing the enter. So the same formula only we are going to repeat here. Again, equal to sum. Going to select the addresses collectively, pressing the enter. Repeating the same thing, equal to sum. Selecting all the cell addresses, pressing the enter. Equal to sum. Selection of cell addresses. So last two steps, I will make a click and drag. So this is what the total. If you want, you can make a total as bold with a different font. Maybe with a different set of font and also with different color. So this is what the formula part. So I will a little bit make shrink. So this is your formula part, and this is your entire thing. You can also have the table. Put the border for this entire total. So select the cells wherever you want to apply the border. Then home menu, font, ribbon, all the border. And the last part is employee payroll calculation is in the chart of the table. So you want to make it as a center. So for that, you are going to select the cell of the table at the start to the end and merge and center. So it will now looks at the middle of the table. After that, you are going to have this middle alignment, then the color. Maybe the color looks like this. Then you can apply bold. Then you can apply different style also. So in this way, after your completion, you can make your decoration. So for employee name also, I can apply wrap text. Now this looks much prettier. So in this way, after the completion, you can decorate your maybe document or presentation or or your calculation part. So this is what the entire employee payroll calculation. So if you're having any queries or require any clarification, means you can ask, or else we go for the hands-on session of yours. Having any clarification, students, cadets? Any clarifications, any doubts, require? Cadets, please respond.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, fine. So if it is not, you can start your practice by your own. Ensure the column titles, whatever I stated, and the formula. Okay, ba? So I will make a little bit zoom. So here also I can apply the center and merge, sorry, center and middle alignment, and for here also. Okay, fine. So you can start your own hands-on practice. Once you completed, you can share your screen. We will start the recording part.